If a small fire were to break out, would an untrained individual be able to operate an extinguisher? This is the question debated by the fire protection community every time a fire protection engineer considers the selection and placement of fire extinguishers. Together, Eastern Kentucky University and Worcester Polytechnic Institute conducted a study on the effectiveness of ordinary people using portable fire extinguishers and the impact of a minimal amount of training. The study concluded that the ordinary person is able to use a fire extinguisher without hurting themselves or others, and participants were able to use the fire extinguisher with great effectiveness. 276 people participated in the study. In a simulation, each was presented an extinguisher and asked to put out a controlled propane fire. The results revealed that without any training, 98% of the people were able to successfully use an extinguisher by pulling the pin, squeezing the trigger, and discharging. 74% used the proper technique of aiming at the base of the fire and using a back and forth motion until the fire was extinguished. After just minutes of training, 100% of the testers pulled the pin, squeezed the trigger, and discharged the extinguisher, with 96% of them properly aiming at the base of the fire using a back and forth motion. Along with fire extinguisher testing, researchers recorded whether participants placed themselves in danger by turning their back to the fire. Only 4% of untrained testers turned their back. After a brief training, the results lowered to only 2% of testers turning their back on the fire. Overall, testing concluded that the average untrained person can use a fire extinguisher safely and effectively to help save lives and protect property. For more information and resources on fire safety, visit the Fire Equipment Manufacturers Association at FEMALifesafety.org.